Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue. While launching a League of Legends, you are getting the error. We were unable to successfully update because a file is currently in use. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, open the settings menu and from the left pane, click on Windows Update. On Windows Update, you will find a lot of update or even a single update is pending. This is currently a bug, and if your Windows is not fully updated, you are not able to play the game. So simply, if any kind of update is available, click on the option download and install all to update your Windows to the latest version. After doing so, make sure to restart your PC. It is a mandatory step. After restarting, try to relaunch the game and the issue will be fixed. Although, if this will work out, right click on taskbar and choose option task manager. Now right in the search box, you need to type in Roid, and whatever the processes are running, right click and choose the option end task. Make sure you close each and every process related to League of Legends. Once it is fully closed, close the task manager, click on start menu, type cmd and choose the option run as administrator. Now type here command sc delete vgc and hit enter key. Second command is sc delete vgk and again hit the enter key. After doing so, again restart your PC, and after restarting, open up this PC, C drive, program files, and you will find a folder with the name Roid Vanguard. Right click on this folder and choose option delete. You can see I have not restarted my PC, that's why the folder is not deleting. So make sure you must restart your system and then delete this folder. After deleting the folder, you need to relaunch your Roid client. Now log in using your user ID and password. Now once you are logged in, go to League of Legends and here you will find the option of update. Click on the option update. This will take few minutes and this will reinstall the Vanguard. Once Vanguard is reinstalled, it asks you to restart your PC. So again restart your PC and hit the play option and the issue will be completely fixed. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.